Hi everyone, I am Janani. I am going to explain about how to install MongoDB, and already I have discussed about how MongoDB is useful over SQL database. And in this video, we are going to see the installation process of MongoDB. We can install MongoDB in different versions, and there is enterprise server and community server. And here for development and testing purpose, we'll use community server, and it's a open source component and have some features, and it's a real-time aggregations that provides powerful ways to access and analyze the data, and it supports secondary indexing also. And whereas in enterprise server, it's a paid service, and it includes additional capabilities such as memory storage engine for high throughput and low latency, and also advanced security features like SSO authentication. And here to download a MongoDB community server, and it's of the latest version of the community server is 6.0.2, and the platform which I'm using is Windows. So let me select Windows here, and the package MSI, and click the download button to download the MongoDB database. And in my laptop, I'm already downloaded and you can download the community version here, and the latest version is 6.0.2, and the platform is Windows which I am using. You can use any one of the above in the Dropbox according to your OS, and click the download button here. I have already downloaded the database. Let me show you from my local. Yeah, here is the MongoDB which I have downloaded earlier. It may take some time for you people to download. After downloading, you will get the Dropbox like this, and here you will get an icon to install the database. Click on the install icon and give next and continue. Here which I have already installed, so I am cancelling and finish. After installing, to check if it is working or not, go to service and check MongoDB here and see if the status is running or not. If not, click on the restart the service button and it will start. And in my local, it's running successfully. And now let me download MongoDB Compose, which is an graphical user interface for MongoDB, specifically for MongoDB, which is flexible as well as helps in data visualization like schema visualization and all. And let's download here. And this is the official website of MongoDB. And go to tools section, and you will find MongoDB Compass here. Yeah, here, and it's a full version with read-only version. It's a full version with read-only version, and it's of latest version of MongoDB Compass is 1.33.1, and here the platform is Windows. As I'm using Windows, you can select any one of the below Dropbox. And let me download this, and it may take few minutes for the download. And here I have downloaded the MongoDB Compose, and let me open. And here is a MongoDB client tool. And to connect to the database, here I am using the which I have already running in my local. It's using the local host and the port number with 27017, and I have not created at any username and password. So let me connect with this a port. And here you can see the databases which I have created earlier, and let me create a new database to show you. Here give a name for the database. Let me give a random name. And the collection name, in MongoDB, collection is nothing but table, and let's give a name for it. And click on the create database so that the database will be created. And here you can see the created database here, and this is the test1 collection. And for now, let's learn how to create how to use the database here using Mongo shell. Use the command like this, use and the database name which you have created. Here I have created the database with the name test, so test, and hit enter. Yeah, here the database is switched to my test which have been created now. And if you have any query regarding this, you can ping me in the comment box, and let us see some interesting topics in our next video. Until then, like my video and subscribe. Thank you.